Hi, Venki here. So today in this video we are going to see something about how to safeguard our eyes. So eyes is very important in our body, right? Without eyes, the world is nothing. So you can't enjoy the life, what we are seeing, what we are, eyes is all about our life, right? Without eyes, you can't, imagine, how hard it will be to, survive, right? So it becomes very imperative to take care of our eyes by following a lot of simple techniques, simple tips which I am going to teach you. So based on my learnings in acupuncture and pranic healing and different learnings, okay, different knowledge I possess from different sources, I am going to just put together. I am going to give some good and easy tips. This is going to be the volume 1. So please see this video fully and go through all the tips I am going to give for the next 5 minutes. So, and after that, just follow it for 1 month, and please let me know how it goes. And after that, I'll be back once again with volume 2. I'll be giving furthermore few more tips, so that I think we are all done. So I'm very sure if you follow these tips regularly, I can bet you that you can remove and throw away your spectacles. I can bet that, okay? Because this will improve your eyesight so well, and it has happened to many of my close friends who has followed these tips and techniques. So let us get into the video. So today in this video, okay, I'm going to give some tips with respect to three sections. One, I'm going to give tips with respect to small exercise what we can do for our eyes, number 1, and number 2, using some acupuncture or acupressure, some points I'm going to give you where you can just give some pressure or you can do some exercise there, so that it will give you enormous benefits to your eyes. And last but not the least, the third one, I am going to give some small kind of exercise which you can do on daily basis, so that it will give you enormous benefits. Let's move into the point number 1. Okay. So let's start giving some simple exercise to our eyes. Okay. So just daily morning and night. Okay. Let's ensure that we do all these simple exercise. Okay. So just stand straight and just it's all simple exercise. Okay. But you have to do religiously. You have to do continuously, so that you will get enormous benefits. So what you do, you make your eyes to go up and down for maybe like 1 minute continuously. For example, likewise, just do up and down for maybe like for 1 minute, and after that do some left to right. You just do for another 1 minute. Like this. You can do like flip between left and right, or you can take your eyes to the right side and just hold it for 1 minute, and after 1 minute again you just come straight, again you take it to the left side and hold it for 1 minute. Okay, it will be like little pain initially, but you don't need to rotate your head. Just have your head straight and just you just move your eyeballs. Okay, that is exercise number 2. First exercise is moving up and down for maybe like 1 minute or 2 minutes. And second exercise, just taking your eyes from left to right. Either you can do flip between left and right, or you can take to left and hold it for, take to right, hold it for 1 minute, and again take to left and hold it for 1 minute. Okay, like that you can do in the morning and night. And third one, you can do something like 8. Okay, see, when you are drawing the number 8, how you are drawing, right? Likewise, you have to draw 8 in your eyes. For example, likewise you can do, okay, as if you are drawing on 8. Take your eyes just to travel along with this finger. Okay, just draw 8 in your eyes. Okay, that one will give you a lot of exercise to your eyes in all the 360 dimension, all the different dimensions. So please do these 3 exercise, and after that you can do one more like upper triangle we used to call. So just see both the eyes to this whatever bindi I am having. So just take these eyes to this place. Say like this. Just hold it in this position for 1 minute. Just both the eyes should see this point. Okay. Just take for like this position and hold for 1 minute. And after that, do a lower triangle. This is exercise number 5. You have to just see with both the eyes. You have to see the tip of your nose. Okay. You have to see like this. Okay. So do like this. Do this for another 1 minute. So all these 5 exercises will give you enormous exercise to your eyes. Okay. So this is the step number 1. 5 exercise inside the step number 1. And let's move into step number 2. Okay. Step number 2 is nothing but, as per acupuncture, okay, we have a lot of acupoints, which will help to increase the eyesight. Okay. So the important, see, lot of acupoints are there, which I can cover in the later point of time. But in this video today, I'm going to give you the top, importance of few acupoints, which will really help to increase our eyesight. Which I will say. See, if you put one straight plus mark, across your eyes, okay, the 4 intersections, okay, whatever you are getting, I'll put the picture also along with this video. You can see the picture right up in my around my head, so that you can get an idea of that. So just this is the first point, okay. Use both the fingers, okay, and just give a press for maybe some 12 times or 15 times. Just give a press, okay, and give a press here, okay, under the eyes, okay. You have the bone. You have the bone which is finishing here, right? So just press this place, okay? Maybe like 12 times or 15 times, and or maybe for a minute, okay? Just press here, number 2, and after that press here, okay? This corner of both the eyes, and number 4, press here, okay? 1, 2, 3. And 4, okay. Just press all these 4 places for 1 minute each, and after that you can do like this also, okay. Just give a massage, rub like this, and give a gentle massage to this place of your eyes, okay. Just do this on regular basis, okay. Do not skip even a single day, okay. Try to do this. Just do rotation and do this massaging and pressing these points regularly. And also another good this is like exercise step number 2, whatever I told in the last 1 minute. And apart from this, step number 3, you have to keep blinking your eyes throughout the day. For example, like this, when you're attending a phone call, when you're talking to someone, or when you're doing some worship, or whenever you have some free time, whenever you can just sit idle and you can just watching TV or whatever, you can just have a practice of just blinking your eyes like this. More you blink the eyes, more water will get inside your eyeballs and your eyelid, so that it will also indirectly it will help your eyes to a very great extent. And please do this also, number 3. And number 4, I'm going to give a very simple and very effective technique to your eyes. Take a bowl like this, okay. Take a bowl like this, either a steel bowl or a very good plastic bowl or something. So take a bowl, fill water, okay, maybe full of this bowl, okay. Full of this bowl, take water, keep it in a table, and after that insert your face, okay. Just hold your breath, maybe just hold your breath. I'm very sure we will have the capacity to hold our breath for maybe minimum 20 seconds to 30 seconds. But initially you may be having some challenges, but gradually you can improve. So just hold your breath and just have water and just insert your face into the water, okay. The water has to be to this position, okay. Ensure that water is, you are not dipping your face more than your ears, okay. Just dip your face till this portion and hold your breath. And you have to open your eyes and you have to blink. Again, I'm telling you, the water should not be like your purified water or your Bisleri water or whatever, okay. It's just whatever water you are taking from your tap. Use the same natural water. And good if you hold rainwater in some container and you can make use of that water also. That's also good. If not, you can use your bore water and you can make use of, but ensure that you are not using the chlorine mixed water and all. In many of the places, cities, we are finding it, they are mixing chlorine, right? So avoid that chlorine water and all. But the water should be good, but not like purified water from our RO system and all. It's like natural water, use it, take in a bowl and just dip your face in that and open the eyes, okay? Open the eyes inside that and just try to rotate your eyes. I'm very sure initially for a few days you will be finding it very difficult to open your eyes, but gradually just practice it. I bet one of my friend, okay, he's 65 years old. He did this for almost morning, maybe 20 minutes. He kept his face inside the eyes, maybe 15 to 20 times. He just inserted and he took it off and like that. He did it for 15 days, morning once and evening once. And he was wearing spectacles for almost from 1993 to 2027 years. He was wearing spectacle. After doing this for 15 days, all this exercise and doing these practices, he threw away his spectacle, and right now he's without spectacles. So he's my guru, and he's my role model to teach this basic preachings to all of you. I'm very sure even I'm practicing that. I've started wearing my spectacles in the recent many days. I'm started doing a lot of exercise, and gradually I'm increasing my eyesight as well. So I have a long sight, okay. I can see any distance, but when I read, I used to get little blur kind of thing. So now I am started doing a lot of exercise. Now I am just getting out of all these problems. So now I stopped wearing spectacles. So I wish you all the very best. Do all this exercise. Okay, I will give a small description in my description section of this video. Please refer that if you have any doubt, and watch this video again and again if you have any questions, and if you have any more doubt, ask in the comment section or please WhatsApp me, so that I am very happy to help you out. So this is my volume 1, and after some time, after a month's time, when you practice all this exercise, I am very sure you will get a huge difference in your eyesight. And for any further tips, I will be posting another volume, so that you will get more benefits. Okay. Wish you all the very best. Stay tuned my channel, guys. Bye bye.